Welcome to an Anapana Vipassanā meditation. In this session, we will focus on the practice of Anapana, which means observing our natural breath to cultivate mindfulness and awareness. Anapana is the first step in the broader practice of a Vipassana meditation. It involves observing the breath as it moves in and out of the nostrils, noticing its rhythm without trying to control or alter it. This simple act of observation sharpens the mind, preparing it for deeper insights into the nature of our existence. And so let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair, cushion, or on the floor. Just ensure that your back is upright but not tense, and gently close your eyes. And take a moment to settle into your body. Notice the weight of your body on the seat or on the floor. Feel the contact points where your body touches the ground, relaxing any unnecessary tension in your shoulders, your jaw, or your hands. And now bring your attention to your breath, feeling the natural flow of your breath as it enters and exits your nostrils. There's no need to change or control your breathing pattern here. We're simply observing it as it is. And as you focus on your breath, notice these sensations at the tip of your nostrils. You might feel a slight coolness as you inhale and warmth as you exhale. Observe these subtle changes in the next few moments. And if your mind starts to wander, that's completely normal. When you notice your thoughts drifting, gently acknowledge them and then kindly bring your focus back to your breath. And again, whenever you find that your attention has wandered to maybe sounds in the environment or feelings in the body or thoughts about the past or future, we just gently return our attention to the breath. This is the practice, coming back again and again. And remember, there's no right or wrong here. If distractions arise, it's just another chance to practice returning to the breath. Notice, acknowledge, and then gently redirect your attention. And as we approach the final moments of this practice, allow each breath to ground you more deeply into the present moment. Each breath bringing you back to the here and now. And as we close out the practice, allow your awareness to widen beyond the breath. And so you can notice the sounds around you, the temperature of the air, points of contact around the body, any sensations. And then when you are ready, open your eyes and notice how you feel. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe.